Today we are going to discuss the midterm exam. So the first question, 谢新佑. Please read the question and the answer.
To reduce the air pollution in the city,
The government.
put a tax on gasoline cars, but not electric ones. This issue involves
Normative economics. So question 1, the answer is C. Okay? Zhen Yilin, question 2. Which one? B. Okay, so because person A owns his shop, so he doesn't have to pay rent, right? The second person has to pay the rent. But even though person A does not have to pay the rent, he has to include his house, his own house, as opportunity cost. Because if he does not run his own shop, he can have the house rented to others, right? So in this case, even though both persons earn $30,000, but as a matter of fact, B, because he has to pay the rent, but A does not show that cost, so that B is more efficient because he would have earned more if he doesn't have to pay the rent, just like person A. Okay? So question 3, Wu Dongyan.
Many cars companies halt the production of the new cars due to the shortage of chips. Which following is true? D. The price of used car will go up.
Okay, because basically this is decreasing supply, right? Because of the shortage of chips, the production of new cars slow down. And so in this case, the new car is going to cost more. And because there are fewer new cars, so people are going to find substitute. And so what happened is that the price of used cars will go up because people don't have as many new cars, they need to find substitute. The substitute will be used car. Okay? Question 4, Zhang Cewei.
The equilibrium rent for the housing market is $3,500 per month. If the government intends to help
The tenant
and imposes the price ceiling of $4,000, what will happen to the housing market? Nothing happens in the market.
Why? Because the housing equilibrium, right? The equilibrium price is 3,500. Okay? So the market price is 3,500 and you impose a price ceiling of $4,000, right? If you can get a house for 3,500, will you get one with 4,000? Of course not. So question 4, the answer is nothing happens in the market. Question 5, Zheng Hongqi. Zheng Hongqi not here. Okay. Zhang Bochang, question 5.
Suppose pizza is at a
Horizontal
axis and sandwich is a
vertical
axis. If the MRS of A is 5 and that of B is 10, which of the following is true? B. B loves pizza more than A.
Okay, we talked about this before, right? If the budget line is very steep, means the price of the horizontal good is expensive. And in this case, we are talking about indifference curve. And the slope is MIS, marginal rate of substitution. So the higher the MIS means the person loves the horizontal goods more. Okay, so here B, the MIS for B is 10, and for A is 5. So means that B loves the horizontal goods more than A. So here, pizza is at the horizontal axis. So B loves pizza more than A. Okay? So question 6, Wang Xiuhui, not here. Lin Yuxiang, question 6.
If both demand and supply increase at the same time, then what will happen to deliver price and quantity? Price on certain quantity goes up.
Okay, because if demand goes up, okay, if demand increases, price and quantity will go up. If supply goes up, price will go down, quantity will go up. So in this case, quantity will definitely go up. But because for the direction of the price, one up, the other down, so the price, the movement of the price is uncertain. So the answer is E. Okay, Hong Kai-Xuan, 7.
If PXPY bigger than NUXMY, then the consumer will be better off by G.
Okay, so because in this case, price of X, okay, divided by price of Y is greater than MUX over MUY. It means that X is actually more expensive than the consumer would evaluate. So in this case, he better consume less X and more Y. So the answer is D. Question 8, Hong Daochen,
The
pandemic.
pandemic has hurt the business of restaurants and caused
Disturbance,
disturbance to measure control in bigger cost
catch.
of lobster. The distribution
The equilibrium,
equilibrium P and Q of the
lobster.
lobster will be two.
Okay, in this case, we are talking about restaurant, right? Restaurant need to buy material, okay? In this case, lobster. But because, the restaurant, because of pandemic, it is closed down, right? So because of the lockdown, few people go to the restaurant. But, because now, much fewer people go out to the sea, okay, to catch anything. And so the lobster will be there, right? But the restaurant, the demand is not. So supply increases, demand decreases, okay? Okay, question 9. Chen Qianyun, produces products A and B.
Due to the pandemic, we decided to reduce the price of A to increase the overall sales revenue and production level. Which of the following situation will help a manager to achieve his goal? D.
Okay, this question is a little bit complicated, so let me do it here. So this person produced A and B, right? Okay. A and B. The goal is to increase revenue, right? So total revenue has to go up. Okay, so let's check. Question 9. So question A say the elasticity of A, okay, is less than 1. Okay? And A and B are so hold on. So reduce price A, okay, so PA goes down, right? PA goes down, okay? So if PA goes down, right? If PA goes down and elasticity is less than 1, what does that mean? That means total revenue of A will go down, okay? So the goal is to have it go up. So this one will not work, okay? So A cancel. And B, say elasticity is less than 1, and A, B are complements. Because they consume together, right? They consume together. So if this one is going down, the other one may go up. Okay? Okay, hold on, be careful here. I say the elasticity is less than 1, right? Okay? But because it's less than 1, you cut the price. So the total revenue of A will go down. Okay? But because A and B are complements, so demand for B will go up, right? So total revenue of B will go up. Okay? But because one is down, the other is up. So can you be sure that it will be up? No. Okay? Lin Yuxiang, do you get it? So because elasticity is less than 1, and the question tells us that price of A is going down, okay, decreases. So that because of this, we know total revenue of A is going down. Question, the choice A and B are substitute, okay? So because they are substitute, one up, the other down. So you really don't know which one will be up, okay? We need to make sure that the total revenue is up, right? So, and for choice B, that's the same thing, okay? Total revenue of A is down, total revenue of B is up. So do you know for sure that the total revenue of A and B will go up? No idea, right? So let's check C. So elasticity, okay, of A is greater than 1, so it's elastic, right? So total revenue of A will go up because the price goes down, right? Okay? And then it said A and B are substitute, okay? Because A and B are substitute, you buy more A, okay? You buy more A, so then you buy less B, okay? So there will be total revenue going up for A, but total revenue for B will going down because they are substitute, okay? You buy more A, less B. Okay, so in this case, we need to make sure that it's going up. So total revenue of A is up, total revenue of B is down. Okay, so this is not the answer. And question D say, elasticity is equal to 1, and A and B are complements. So what happened here is that, okay, if you have, okay, because elasticity of A is equal to 1, the price goes down or up, it means that total revenue of A will not change. Okay, so there's no change for total revenue of A. Okay, but what is the relationship between A and B? They are complements. So if you have price of A going down, right, and they are complements, so Q of A will go up, and Q of B will also go up. And so for the B part, total revenue of B will go up. So the answer is D. Okay? Questions? Questions? You don't get it? Okay, let's try slow down. So because you have two products, right? So you have total revenue of A and total revenue of B. Okay? And now the question tells us what happened. P of A goes down. Okay? If P of A goes down, what happened? Q of A goes up. Okay? But if you want to make sure that the total revenue goes up, you need to have elasticity. Okay, so choice A. Okay, choice A. What's choice A? Choice A say, okay, elasticity of A is less than 1, right? Okay? If elasticity of A is less than 1, and you cut the price, okay, you cut the price, what happened? Total revenue of A will go down, okay? Any question to this point? The question tells us sell two products. So you need to figure out total revenue of A, total revenue of B. And the question also tells us P of A going down, right? So it means Q of A goes up. Okay, so if elasticity is less than 1, total revenue going down. Okay? And then the second part say A and B are substitute. So if A and B are substitute, you buy. So it means that QA will go up, right? QB will go down. Because you cut the price of A. Okay, you cut the price of A, so QA you buy more. But A and B are substitute, you buy less. Okay? So total revenue of A is going up, but total revenue of B will go down, right? So because, oh, sorry. Yeah. Right. Okay, so in this case, total revenue of A, they are substitute, right? Okay. So it means what? It means the total revenue will go down. Well, your goal, okay, your goal is to have up, right? Remember that this is your goal. And does this reach your goal? No, because total revenue goes down. Okay. Choice B. Choice B, the difference is they are complements, so they consume together. So forget about this part, right? So we know that QB will go up. If QB goes up, then total revenue of B goes up. So now the question is, total revenue of A goes down, and this goes up. So one up, the other down. We want to make sure that it's up, right? So this one doesn't count. And then C say elasticity of A is greater than 1, okay? And so here, total revenue of A will go up, okay? And it said A and B are substitute. So if you buy more A, okay, if you buy more A, then you buy less B. If you buy less B, what happened? Total revenue of B will go down. So one up, the other down, right? Okay. And choice D, because elasticity of A is equal to 1, right? It means that no matter you increase the price or decrease the price, what happened to total revenue? It doesn't change, okay? So PA goes down, right? But total revenue of A, no change. Okay? And the choice D say they are what? They are complements. They are complements means that if price goes down, you buy more A. And also you're gonna buy more B. So total revenue of B will go up. So total revenue of A does not change. And this one increase, so you increase. Okay, so the answer is D. Let's check, choice E say all of the above, so definitely it does wrong. Okay, you get it? Okay, good. Question 10. Question 10. 林玉阳. Inferior, okay? Given goods must be inferior. Okay, question 11. We need some calculation, so 11. Okay, question 11 says that Mary has $70 to $100 and indifferent between big pizza and small pizza, right? And so the big pizza is twice as large as the small one. Okay, so big pizza is equal to 2 small one. Okay? So be careful here. If in your idea, in your opinion, that 1 big pizza is equal to 2 small pizza, and if this price is greater than twice of that, you will always buy small one. Okay, and if this price is less than twice of the small one, you will always buy the big one. You got it? Just like we talked about this before, black pen and blue pen. If blue pen and black pen is the same to you, so if blue pen is more expensive, you will buy black one, and the other way, or when the price changes. Okay, so here, big pizza is equal to $600, and small pizza is equal to $450, right? So suppose you want to make indifferent between these two. It has to be 900, right? Okay? But in this case, the price is less than twice of this. So you will always buy the big one. Okay? Get it? So the answer is B. You always choose the big one. Okay. Let's move on. So question 12. Hold on, who's 10? 陈子帅, sir, 12.
Suppose the equilibrium wage is 20,000. If the government sets a minimum wage of 17,500 to support the life standards of workers, then the market will be no change.
Because if you can get a wage of $20,000 in the market, will you care about 17,500? The answer is no, okay? So question 13. It is a calculation of the arc elasticity of demand. So let me try it here. Question 13. Question 13, we have $20 and here 30,000 units. And you have $30, 20,000 units. Okay? So to calculate the elasticity of demand, okay, you're going to get here is 1/2 30,000 plus 20,000. Okay, and here the difference. Okay, let me put down the formula here. 1/2 Q1 plus Q2 and Q1 minus Q2, and here 1/2 P1 plus P2, P1 minus P2. Okay, so here is the formula of the arc elasticity. And so the quantity difference is 10,000. And here you have 20 plus 30, and the price difference is -10. So here you get it. So you have 50,000. Here is 10,000. And here it is 5 over -1. And so what you get is equal to -1. So if you have a calculator and you've got a formula right, you should be able to get it. Okay. Question 14. Question 14, again, we need to show the calculation. Question 14. Okay, we have QX equal to 250 minus 5px minus 2m minus py plus a. Okay, and then you have qx is equal to 250 and Px equal to 10, Py equal to 10, X equal to 100. So M is income, and the price elasticity of demand for X. So elasticity for X is P dP Q dQ, right? And so then you have dP dQ and then P over Q. Okay? So dP dQ is here, right? So you have differentiation of the demand with respect to X, Px. So then you have -5. And what's the price here? Price of, it will be X. Price of X is equal to 10. And quantity of X is equal to 250. So then this is what you have. -1/5. Okay? So then the answer is D. Okay, question 15, answer D. Question 14, answer D. And question 15 say, from the above, which of the following is true? X is normal. If you look at it here, right, M. Okay, M is what? M is equal to income, right? M is income. So it's negative. So if income goes up, the quantity will go down. So it is. So choice A say it is normal. Actually, it is not. And B say X, Y are substitute. Let's check it. So if price of Y, here, price of Y goes up. Price of Y goes up. Actually, QX gonna go down, right? So one up, the other down. So they are complements. They are complements. And C say X and Y are neutral. So that's wrong. And D is exactly what they are. Okay, if Px goes, you see that? If Py goes up, Qx will go down. So it means that if Px goes down, Qy will go up. So the answer is D. Okay. Okay, question 16. Wang Jingyu.
If demand curve is a straight line, which of the following is correct? D, the slope is the same for all points on the line.
Okay, if it is a straight line, okay, the slope will be the same, but elasticity can be different, okay? And question 17, it should be easy, right? Do I need to? Anyway, let me show you. Question 17. Okay, you have Q is equal to 24 minus 2P, right? And then Q is equal to 4 plus 2P. So this question actually makes the calculation very easy, right? Because you add these two equations. So Q plus Q, you have 2Q, and negative 2P and plus 2P is gone. So that's 28. So Q is equal to 14. If Q is equal to 14, right? 14 is equal to 4 plus 2P. So 2P is equal to 10, and then P is equal to 5. So question 17, the answer is D. Okay, answer is D. And then the consumer surplus. So then we need to show this. Okay, so this is the demand, right? Demand curve is here. So 24, and here is 12. Okay, and then here we have 4 here, and then -2. So supply curve looks like this, demand curve looks like that, and the price is equal to 5, okay, and the quantity here is 14, okay. So to calculate consumer surplus is easy, just this triangle, right? So the height is 12 minus 5 and times the base 14 and times 1/2, right?